If the iron a shirt, you first hang it up in the machine cabinet adjustable hanger. The doors close and it then an interable system iron processor the shirt taking out any crossing effect. Invention permits it can cut ironing time down by 95% and will dry and iron 12 spares piece of clothing at once. It get item ready within 3 minutes and has an app too. Already you when your clothes are done, underwear can be hung in a bag inside to be dry, and a step bell can be addable to the system tag. If to iron a shirt, you first hang it up. Mudra band. Mudra band app gesture recognition to app was a smart band for the Apple. Apple was which enable to touch. No touch was operating using same hand finger movements. Mudra band playing Super Mario on iPhone. Mudra band MyCupid portal for the overwhelming number of dog parents who feel guilty leaving their best boundary at home. The MyCupid portal is a must-have smart home upgrade. Today, millions use MyQ to control, secure and monitor important home access points. And now MyQ Smart Access can be used to tend to a love pet must basic need going outside. JetBot 19 introducing Samsung latest all-powered CE product JetBot 19 All Plus for the first time at GS 2021. JetBot 19 All Plus using object recording technology to identify and classify object and devise the best cleaning part. It also comes with a space camera to provide you with a second set of eye in your home. When you condition your JBot 19 All Plus to your smartphone by the Smart Things Pet, you can use the camera to removing monitor your home and your pet. Introducing Samsung latest Sony Bravia XR A80Z. See how we have maximized viewing realize with our OLED floor powered by the Reliance Concept Processor XR. Its sound and vision is perfect Homer 4K 3084 into 2160 pixel Bharavars effect and ULR smeller module name and active product design may be different depending on size and release. Sony and Bravia are trademark of Sony companies. Sony Bravia XR A80